Hey everyone, welcome back to Glitch Sip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a bigger inventory in the Forge on Roblox and how to increase your stash capacity step by step. If you're constantly running out of space while mining or farming, this guide will help you fix that fast. Let's get straight into it. The main way to increase your inventory size in the Forge is by upgrading your stash capacity. As you progress through the game, you'll unlock access to stash upgrades through NPCs or upgrade stations. These upgrades permanently increase how many items you can store. You do not need Robux to increase your stash capacity. All upgrades are done using in-game resources and currency. Each stash upgrade allows you to hold more ores, materials, and items, which means fewer trips back to storage and much more efficient farming. Another important factor is game progression. As you level up and unlock higher level zones, you gain access to better stash upgrades with higher capacity limits. If you're still early in the game, your inventory will feel small, but it grows naturally as you progress. Here are some important tips to manage your inventory better. First, always deposit items into your stash regularly instead of carrying everything with you. Second, prioritize stash upgrades early if you plan to mine or farm a lot. Third, don't hold on to low-value items longer than necessary, since they take up valuable space. Having a bigger inventory saves a lot of time and makes grinding much smoother, especially in mid and late game. To quickly recap, upgrade your stash capacity, progress through the game to unlock higher limits, manage your inventory efficiently. That's how you get a bigger inventory in the Forge. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to Glitch Sip for more Forge guides, Roblox tips, and updates. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.